Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy, week of 10/26. So, on Monday, it is a work day for your Song of Art project. Tuesday, we'll take a look at what is the function of art: entertainment, social commentary, or can it also be about transformation or revolution? On Wednesday or Thursday, depending on your block schedule, we'll have a class activity and we'll begin presentations. And so, this is what I want to make sure that you're all aware of. Your art project must be done and in class. So, even if you're absent, you need to make sure that your work of art is physically in class for Wednesday or Thursday, depending on what is your block day. And then Friday, we'll finish presentations. So your assignments are, the actual work of art, that's 70 points. The wall tag, you need to have your wall tag printed off and to be displayed with your work of art. So that should for sure be done, printed off in class on Wednesday, and you can turn your 3 paragraphs in on campus. We'll also have a class activity that we're doing with the work of art. So even if you're not in class, your work of art needs to be, and that class activity will be worth 20 points. So that's our week. Look forward to seeing you all in school tomorrow, and have a great snow day. Bye-bye.